slow touch, brown and white. Like I go country, grab and buy. We can go bust, eye for eye. We can lose trust. White rum, fizzy pop. Where you they go, we they go up. Catch my vibe, let me go off. Blam the track.
Okay, so the first app I use is Over, and I'm going to look for the picture in my photo album. Once I find that picture, I make sure that it is the size of a YouTube thumbnail. Then I position it on how I want it to look on YouTube. Then I save the picture and I move on to the second app, which is Phonto. I access my photo album to the picture that I just saved from Over, and I click on the picture to add text. And now I'm just like playing around with it, trying to position it where I want it to be, how big I want it to be. I like Phonto a lot because there's so many different fonts to choose from. This part is very important because the words have to be very big so anyone on YouTube can see, and it also has to be positioned in a way that it is not being blocked by any other thing that pops up on your videos. This part takes me a little while because I'm just like never satisfied and I want it to be a particular way, so I try it out a few times, or I try different ways to see which one would look better. It is better to place it directly in the middle or the top left corner. Thumbnails are very important because it makes viewers want to click on that video. Using the arrows is a more precise way on position and placement. This thumbnail was for a two-part video, so here I am just adding the part 1 to it, and you're gonna see that I also played around with this as well with the font. Click on style, it brings you to the different colors for the text, the stroke, the background. And I'm just playing around with the colors. I want everything to blend, but blend nicely. I'm using a background so you can see it a little bit better. And yeah. Normally I would have just sped up this part, but it's important you guys see everything that I do. I take time out my day to do my thumbnails, so I have to show you guys everything. So right here I'm just playing around with the stroke, changing the color, to see which one can pop against the white. Decided to change the wording just a bit. And you know what? I think I am satisfied. So I'm just gonna save it as a PNG. If you have any questions, please drop them down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.